i-account yakho, you also have no access to it, but there are funds going out of the account. Kodwa wena mnikazi we-account awukhona ukungena ku-app, awukhona ukutransacta, awukhona ukwenza lutho. All you see is a pop-up eshoyo ukuthi kuphume imali thizeni. Mawubuza ngalawo ma-transaction lawo kuthiwa no, it's previous transactions. Why kana phuma manje? Mele ngimane ngithi gacha ngihlisa amapapho. It's previous transactions. Lawo ma-transactions funny aphume i-account frozen. Why angaphuma nga before lawo ma-transactions lawo? Before your account iba frozen, why angaphuma nga lawo ma-transactions? So you mean to tell me ukuthi when the account was active and those transactions happened in real time, you could not report to me that those transactions are happening? You are only releasing funds on a frozen account. How are you releasing funds on a frozen account? Ngila ucasuka. And okubuhlungu ukuthi ene it's a very serious matter because someone out there decided to pay into your account.